Well, you heard Damon talking about those 95-mile-per-hour winds. Well, this is the weather instrument that measures that. Now, today we went all over the area and we found quite a bit of damage. Heavy rain and high winds swept through the metro last night. Winds strong enough to turn this 18-wheeler on its side on I-40 in El Reno, killing the driver. At least a dozen power poles were snapped in two across the state. And CK Energy Electric Co-op says a couple hundred people in the El Reno and Hinton areas were without power for hours. In Hinton, this business is picking up after winds tore through their huge garage door.
This is what's left.
And in El Reno, this is all that's left of the Kappas family shop. After the storm twisted the building, some pieces of it were found along the interstate.
We just have things laying everywhere, but we're good, you know. Everybody's okay, the house is okay, the animals are okay, and that's all that matters.
Crystal Price, KOCO 5 News.